to another video. Today we are going to be doing me and Madison together kind of challenge video, and we're going to be attempting to make icing. Yeah, it's not really a challenge, but like it kind of is, because we have no idea how to make icing, and yeah. So we have some ingredients in the back there that we think that's gonna make icing. Probably
so here
not.
Is spurred milk, Chipts, and icing sugar, and like these thingies
to like make it colorful if we want.
Yeah, we're probably gonna melt the icing. It's gonna like be really weird, but we're gonna melt it.
So hopefully it will work.
So let's put like 1 cup of icing.
Burb.
Where's the measures?
Just a sec.
Oh! I found a whisk. Maybe we can use
So this is not microwave proof.
It's not?
So I guess we need to get a different Is this microwave? Is microwave proof.
Let's turn it this way. No one wants to see how long.
Oh, okay.
No, Annabelle, I'm going.
Okay,
So is gone.
let's decide what we think is gonna be enough.
Wait, Annabella.
No,
Okay.
first we need to add the Chipts and then melt it, and then like we need to add those and then melt
What? We need to make the mixture first, and then we need to melt these in another bowl. Yes. Let's add some milk first. No, let's add that.
This?
Yeah, because then
No,
this
we
will like
need to do it in a different bowl.
the milk in a different bowl,
Uh,
or just the ingredients
okay.
in another bowl. So Annabelle, you work on the milk and the icing sugar. I'll put these in. Really?
Yeah.
That will be the icing bowl? This shouldn't be the icing bowl, Annabelle.
This
This
is
is smaller.
whatever, just like
Oh my god, Stacey.
so.
So we'll put a few of those in there. Wonderful.
So some icing sugar going in. Okay, that's a lot.
Some yellow thingies. What are these
And
things
then
called?
they're like chocolate things or whatever. Candy
Yeah.
melts or whatever.
Oh,
Milk.
candy melt thingies. Yellow looks very appetizing. One went on the floor.
Milk.
That will be going in the garbage.
Now,
Organic. Oh my god, Stacey moved.
I like it. Mix this. And
Ew. Annabelle, ew.
I should add less milk.
Put some more icing sugar. I feel like butter is supposed to go in it too. Butter. Butter! That's the other ingredient. We're so good. Annabelle, can you get some, like, the hard butter?
Okay, so now this is getting nice and clumpy.
So Madison's mixture is going in the microwave for 3 minutes.
Annabelle's mix. It probably has to be like 1 minute, because like 30 seconds. So this is Annabelle's mixture. I will show y'all. Focus. I almost dropped it in there. But
Okay, Annabelle, you need
Luckily I
butter.
didn't.
That's not even, like,
butter. Find it. What the heck? Yes, I found butter. But it can't be so clumpy.
it's supposed to be icing.
Yeah, but it can't be so clumpy.
That is nothing near icing.
Whatever. We're mixing two together.
We have to, like, we're gonna put it on like this weird like shortbread cookies, not the disgusting ones, but like random shortbread cookies that are in the cupboard.
Barely taste milk.
No, Annabelle, no.
Just a little bit. Oh, a little bit.
It's already liquid, Annabelle. It doesn't have to. Okay, put some butter. 05, 04, 03.
How much butter shall I add?
01.
Annabelle is not good at baking
Madison's
or
a
cooking.
tomato whisk.
Whatever.
Madison.
Oh my god, it starts a little bit. So,
Let's see.
it's stuck to the lid. Nice. It's stuck to the lid. I don't know what to do. I'll get like
Madison
I'll
mixing
cut
the
off
chocolate.
a little. Be careful with knives. I will try to cut off a little bit.
Yeah.
Not too much. Okay, I'll just.
Little bit more time needs to go into that.
I'm not really good at cutting. Last time I cut my finger
I'll be
while
rinsing
cutting
off
an
this one.
apple on my hand. Ah! Butter, butter, butter. That's fine.
Annabelle is a craze.
Oh, it fell off.
Flamingo.
Okay, now butter is on my hands. Really annoying. Now my hands are butterproof.
Pretty sure Madison's mixture is turned out now.
So, just smush
Whoa,
it.
Annabelle, look at this mixture.
Ooh la la.
Look what those.
Annabelle's mixture is disgusting. Milk.
I guess I made
and
icing.
butter and
I guess Madison actually made icing. I guess, seriously, Madison made icing. Madison was successful. Can you scooch over, Annabelle? Madison was successful. Madison was successful. This is rare. Annabelle, how's your icing coming?
bad. Tastes like chocolate.
It's icing.
Annabelle is gonna try to add
I
some.
think Madison needs butter.
What is that?
Madison needs butter. Oh my god.
Annabelle is gonna try to add some Chipts in it. Let's see if that
Go,
helps.
Annabelle.
Those delicious things. Okay.
Okay, Madison put some butter in hers. After we can try each other's, Madison is adding butter. Madison shouldn't have done that. But Madison did that. Oh my god, Annabelle. So you're going for the chocolate icing? Like me? I wasn't actually going for this. I was hoping it would be like pink. But since I'm so good at making icing,
Annabelle is putting it in the microwave for 1 minute.
go Annabelle. Go Annabelle.
These are Hershey's. Oh,
Oh,
Hershey's Chipps. I feel I shouldn't have added the butter.
I feel like the butter was a good decision, Annabelle.
There's one stuck. No. Really good.
Mine is not very like milky. I put way too much milk. My mixture is about to be ruined. I'm so happy.
Oh, wow.
Ew, it's all brainy and disgusting. Madison, namaste.
Oh.
Stay calm, Madison. Your icing might still work out.
My icing is probably not gonna work out.
Madison, it's turning back to normal.
It actually might get better with the Chipps.
Madison, yay!
Yum yum yum.
Look, Madison, this is real icing now.
It's a bit watery. Just
real
a
icing.
little bit. It's just a little bit watery. 9, 8, 7, 6. Oh
Mad-
my God, it's so slow.
Seriously? Madison has real icing now.
Well, luckily I did it slow. Somehow I saw that. Okay. Ew. That looks gross.
This This is how
I
mine
want
and
to
yours-
show you guys.
Mine and yours are like the same because I put butter. I just put like more chocolate than you did. We're not really against each other for the challenge. It's just like us attempting to make icing. We're not against each other, but like we're not together. You know what I mean? Like
Gross. Let's add Chipts while it's hot. Oh,
so homemade making icing
so
is better. Like without the like homemade icing without the like mix machine is better to use no icing sugar, chocolate, butter, and milk, and it works out really nice. If you want a bit more of a liquid icing, I guess, because that's what mine is.
icing sugar. I think icing sugar is fine. Just like if you want to make it like more like less watery.
But if
I
you're
think
making
you should
it
add
homemade, like without the mixture
I
thing.
think mine is fine now.
Yeah, Annabelle's is turning good.
It looks nice. I guess. So it looks better than before. Before I mixed it, it was actually like a tang. Why am I calling it a tang? A pond, like a disgusting like.
Latang. That's what
Latang,
you're
like-
thinking of.
Like what was like the
Latang is a pond.
Swamp. Like swamp. It looked like a swamp. Really disgusting. I didn't want to show you.
Annabelle, do this. See if yours is good. Yes, Annabelle. In mine, let's have a race. Icing race. Like, let's see whose is slower.
Nice, tiny, beautiful spoons. Ma.
Okay, let's do a race.
Of what?
To
I
just
have
see-
like a lot.
Okay, look.
Okay, we're doing that.
It's not really a race.
Really droopy and chunky. I will be trying some. Not bad.
Want to taste each other's? It's hot.
Not to be rude to Madison, but like it tastes like a bit like plain like.
I feel like Annabelle's is really hot.
Yeah, Annabelle's is hot. It's
Mine's
not
more
that
just like chocolate icing.
Annabelle's
is
has
like
like
weird.
more like weird
texture,
and like flavor and like.
Butter. It's the butter. Did you taste that?
Yeah.
Look, yours even looks oily from the top.
So I don't really think mine's a fail anymore.
Yours is not a fail.
Before
So now I'm gonna find
it
a
was a
cookie.
fail. So if you want to know how to make Annabelle's homemade icing, then the ingredients are a lot of Chipts, icing sugar, milk, and butter in the microwave, melted. Not too much.
For a minute and 30 seconds.
Yes. So watch it because mine was almost about to overflow. But I saw it. So didn't overflow. I will see. Help Madison get a cookie. So I got 2 cookies.
So we'll put how to make our icings in the description down below. AKA
I already-
Madison will put it in the description down
I already told them. But
Yeah, but if they forget because yours is really long, you're like, oh,
Yes, Madison will put it in the description box below. Okay, cookie. Your cookie. And my cookie. That's a big plate.
I know, but both of our cookies will
You
go.
don't even need that.
Yeah, I know, but both of our cookies have to go, and then the ice is gonna drip all over the place.
Oh, it's like getting crunchy now because it's starting to dry.
Okay, let's put it on, Annabelle.
Actually, I have a better idea.
Or you can do it. Can't touch this.
I was gonna like drizzle it, but I felt like that was gonna be a big fat fail. So I'm dipping
Mine
it
is
in.
turning out really nice. Whoa, Annabelle, look at mine.
Mine is nice, I guess.
I'm putting like it's like one of those like 5-star desserts with like those weird ass, like weird, like really weird, like. Annabelle, you just wrecked my 5-star.
Madison's like looks like caramel and mine looks like chocolate.
Okay, so mine is like 5-star dessert. I'll show you guys.
Mine is a 7
No,
star
don't put
dessert.
it on yet. Annabelle, I was showing them my beautiful plate. So Annabelle just wrecked the whole thing.
No, I didn't.
Okay, so it's going back to the camera.
Did you show them mine too?
Yes, I showed the entire plate. My God, Annabelle.
So comment down below if you think we did a good job on our icing and if
Of
it
course
looks
we
good.
did.
How many stars do you think this is? I think it's a 7-star dessert.
Goodbye, light. This is
Mine
yours.
actually tastes like not bad.
Too sweet. Okay.
So we hope you guys like this video and make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. If you already did, that's okay. We love you guys so much. Goodbye. Make sure to comment down below if you think this is a good dessert
And if you tried it at home by yourself.
and if you think
Oh,
how
yes,
many,
you don't need those weird cookies.
yes, how many stars? Oh, it's falling down. How many stars do you think it is? And
We love you
will
guys
put
so
the,
much.
the recipes
In the description.
box.
We love you guys so much.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.